today I'm reviewing the Dermatology Peptide Night Cream. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, so I've got Becky's Beanie Baby, which is so cute. I just love sparkles. I love sparkles. So there we go. And I'm going to keep that one protected from the dogs. You want the little Yorkies? They don't care about stuffed animals or toys, but the Ike and Lincoln, they friggin' love toys. Yorkies just ignore them or try and pee on them. Anyway, okay. So when this came out, I was super excited I had to have it because I love peptides, I love night creams, I love moisturizers, and this one looked pretty good. So this rich, creamy nighttime moisturizer adds layers of hydration to help soften the appearance of signs of aging and repair damaged skin. Our concentrated blend of peptides, ceramides, and antioxidants help lines, wrinkles, and signs of sun damage appear reduced, leaving skin feeling strengthened and moisturized. Experience younger, rejuvenated skin with every application. There we go. Okay, so I still don't quite know how you pronounce the name of this. Is it DRMTLGY? I'm just going dermatology from now on. So there we go. Okay, so my first criteria is packaging, and obviously they use an open jar, which you can see I kind of dig in every time I use it, just to kind of protect it. So I'm not super crazy about that. So if you pick this up, if you can transport it into an airless jar, it's probably the best way because there are some good antioxidants in here. So I'm not crazy about the packaging, but whatever, that's what we got. In terms of denatured or drying types of alcohol, this does not contain any of those, and it is also fragrance-free, which makes it great for sensitive skin. This one is made in the U.S., so no issues with that. Ease of use. So typically, the fact that it says night in the product, I found you can use this in the daytime too. It's a little bit thicker maybe for some people, so maybe perhaps some people would not want to use this during the daytime, but for my winter dry skin, this one works great morning and evening. Typically, I just use it in place of the Protini. And they recommend applying a generous amount to face and or body, allow to absorb before applying additional products. Can be used twice a day if needed. So I find you can use it daytime and nighttime. If you have oilier skin, it might be a bit thick for daytime, but nighttime works just fine. I like to use this on my face and even my neck, which is super sensitive to products. This one works okay on my neck. And not all products do that. Even if they're good fragrance-free, alcohol-free products, my neck is super sensitive. I didn't have any issues with this pilling, and in the wintertime, before bed, sometimes I'll even apply like another thicker product over this, like a oil or a sleeping mask, something like that, and it works just fine. So no issues, absorbs easily, sets to a nice natural finish that's not sticky, which is great because there's a lot of sticky moisturizers out there in the world, and we don't need another one, so. Okay, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So this will be a fun one. I'm going to have to compare this to the Protini, I think, because they're kind of getting after the same market here. So this one's got shea butter pretty high up, which is an antioxidant and hydrating ingredient. We've got Palmi-toyl dipeptide 5, Diaminobutyr-oylvalylaminobutyric hydroxythreonine, also known as PDDH. I should have just gone with that. Which is a synthetic peptide, which is made that helps firm skin. We've also got Palmitoyl tripeptide 1, which is a very famous peptide, and there's some people that say it is overall the most used peptide. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but that's what they say. Maybe the manufacturers say that. It's a 3 amino acid chain. It's believed that this peptide helps to create more collagen production in skin, which would be very nice if it does that. Not sure that there are any tests that really prove that, though, at this point. So then we've got Palmitoyl tripeptide 5. They say daily use of this can lead to a significant reduction in wrinkles, and the manufacturers say up to 10% reduction of wrinkles within 3 months of continual use. There's not a lot of independent studies on that one either. So then we've got Palmitoyl tetrapeptide 7, which is a 4-chain amino acid that helps prevent against inflammation. We've got trifluoroacetate, tripeptide 2, which is another 3 amino acid chain that helps inhibit the production of progerin, which is a cell aging accelerator protein. Some also say that this increases skin elasticity, firmness, and reduces sagging. Maybe that's why my neck is looking a little less saggy. I don't know. Okay, then we've got, let's see. We've got Tetradecyl, Aminobutyr-oylvalylaminobutyric, Urea, Trifluoroacetate. Holy crap. I'm not even exaggerating. That word is probably 15 letters long, and it's mostly consonants. So, okay, so some think it can boost collagen production. Then we've got 4 ceramides, which are great. They help with hydration, the skin barrier. We've got allantoin, good skin soothing ingredient. Then we've got vitamin E, antioxidant, and skin soothing. And out of all those, how many did I say right? Pronunciation. Probably ceramides and shea butter. Anyway, so it's got a nice, good, beneficial ingredient list with some good peptides, ceramides, and hydrating ingredients. In terms of animal testing, dermatology, without the vowels, is cruelty-free. Performance, so it works well. I will say I noticed a bit of firmness and plumpness in my skin with using it, especially on my neck if I felt like it helped the barrier, skin barrier. In terms of acne-genic ingredients, it's got a few. We've got glyceryl, stearate, isopropyl, palmitate, cetyl alcohol, dimethicone, vitamin E, and butylene glycol. So, a few, but I didn't have any issues with breakouts using this, so I was pretty happy with it. We get to price. So this jar is 2.1 ounces. So the normal Protini is 1.7 ounces. So this is like a quarter more than the Protini. 60 milliliters, and it retails for about $44. However, this brand frequently has 20% off coupons, so it's worth doing a little bit of searching before you purchase it. But overall, it's more affordable, and you get a little more product than you do with other comparative brands. So overall, I didn't think the $44 was ridiculous. A little bit of it does go a long way as well, so that's a nice thing. Then in terms of the it factor, I'm really enjoying this product. It's got a lot to offer. Good ingredients, pretty affordable, not crazy about the packaging, but I love the fact that it's fragrance-free and alcohol-free and really feels hydrating. I think for some who are on a little bit more of a budget, this could be comparable to the Protini. If you want me to do it, I'll do a versus, so leave a comment. So anyway, I gave this one a 9 out of 10. So I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try it out yet or not. And if you have what your thoughts are, so definitely leave a comment. Love hearing from you, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys.